It's an absolute pleasure to be back here. First event of the year at the British Institute with a woman who inspires me greatly, Elisa Tozzi Piccini. And Elisa's story is quite phenomenal as a Florentine, as a creator, as a business owner, as somebody who's carrying on for generations her family business, a jewelry atelier on the Ponte Vecchio, but not only on the Ponte Vecchio.
I actually grew up in this kind of business, so there's no other choice. You just do that. Maybe I wanted to do something different, which I do not remember nowadays. And here I am. No, and I remember when I was a child, I was spending time with him over the summertime, or when my grandmother used to take me into the center of town on a Saturday afternoon. We used to stop at the shop, and I used to climb in the workshop where he was engraving something or creating something. So it's just part of it.
Mm-hmm.
And you don't feel that much the responsibility when you're young. When you grow up, a little bit more, but it's just part of your heritage. So you just go for it.
It's part of your daily life. I mean, you're a creator, you're a designer. You're not just a business owner. It's a very creative profession.